Okay, we are still I learning the Chat GPT new feature for the students, which is I have you know mentioned in the earlier video, which is a study and learn mode. We will again go back, and I know till now what you have understood is uh, ask questions, to ask follow-up questions, take the quizzes. Once you understand the concept, you can get the content written. And now, today, in this video, I will just help you, how to do maths. Okay. Now, let's move on quickly to Chat GPT. Okay. What I have done in this is a very thing. I have, I have ask you, you have to enable the study and learn mode. And one thing I have done is upload my book for class 9 maths. Okay. I have uploaded the entire book. Okay. Now, what I am saying, just, hey, I have my test tomorrow. Okay. Please help me with, I know, okay, or chapter 1. Okay. You have test of chapter 1. Okay. Of maths, and you have uploaded your maths chapter 1 PDF, or just scan it and upload it. Okay. I have just got the entire NCERT book, and that's why I have uploaded the entire NCERT book on this. Okay. I have my test tomorrow. Please summarize chapter 1. Okay. And let's see how it goes. Hey, okay. See this. Suppose you want to get ready for your test, and you just want the summary of it. Okay. Just before the test, what you do, just ask that, okay, give me the summary. Okay. And now it is the summary: real number, representation, terminating real number, definite desert. I know non-terminating, non-recurring number is this one, right? See this: rationalization, law of exponent, a to the power p into a to the power q is equal to a to the power p plus q. See, all the formula. In short, you get everything. And see, would you like a one-page color revision chart? Yes, I will love. Okay? Just write yes. See what it is. Wonderful. Just before the test, and it will be a summary for your test. You can, it will have everything to revise before the test, right? And you can, or what you can do is, in your notebook, you can put this, take the printout of this, and then just put at the first page before the chapter, so that every time you are revising revising your chapter, you revise this concept for also, because this is a snapshot of the chapter. Okay, let's see how it comes out in the, what it gives you. It is taking time because it is creating image. Yeah. Oh, it's taking longer. So. See here. See. And that's your, something nice coming up for your revision. Yes. See here. Natural number, integers, irrational number. See what you are getting. Right? Gives a thumbs up. Gives a thumbs up if it is something you think it is going to be helpful. And this is how you have to use AI as your extended partner, as a constant teacher available for you all the time to help you get better score. For such videos, you like, subscribe my channels, and I will keep posting useful information for you. Thank you.